Access modifiers in Java are keywords that control the accessibility of classes, variables, methods, and constructors in Java. There are 4 types of access modifiers in Java. 1. Public. 2. Private. 3. Protected, and 4. Default package private. Here's a simple example demonstrating the usage of access modifiers. In this example, public variable is accessible from anywhere, even outside the class. Private variable is only accessible within the demyclass class. Protected variable is accessible within the demyclass class and its subclasses. Default variable is accessible within the same package. Similarly, the methods follow the same rules. Public method is accessible from anywhere. Private method is only accessible within the demyclass class. Protected method is accessible within the demyclass class and its subclasses. Default method is accessible within the same package. See you again. Thank you.